The announcement date for Shimano's new products has been decided. Ohayo, konnichiwa, konbanwa. Hi everyone, welcome back to JFTN, Japan Fishing Tackle News. In this video, we'll take a look at Shimano Japan's official Instagram and share some personal predictions about what products might be coming next. Please note that this is all just for fun, mixing a bit of imagination and personal guesses about what could be on the way. We don't have any insider information, and everything we'll talk about is purely based on our own ideas and speculation. If you're not a fan of this kind of discussion, we recommend stopping the video now. But if you enjoy imagining and guessing what's coming, stick around and join the fun. Let's get started. A few days ago, Shimano Japan's official website announced that new products will be revealed on January 10th at 10 AM Japan time. However, ahead of this announcement, Shimano's official Instagram has been posting teasers, showing glimpses of the products and their use in various fishing scenes. In this video, we'll take a closer look at these Instagram posts together and make some guesses about what might be coming. First, let's look at this image. The handle and bail shape immediately suggest that this is an SW reel, a large-sized reel for saltwater fishing. Look at the photos showing it in use. They're all offshore boat fishing scenarios. The tackle shown is heavy duty, perfect for targeting big fish. Casting large plugs while fishing near rocky islands from a boat, that's definitely a job for a large reel. Many of you might already have a product in mind. That's right, the long-rumoured Stella SW Shimano's high-end SW reels are said to follow a 6-year update cycle. The last Stella SW was released in 2019, making 2025 the perfect timing for an update. Now, let's adjust the shadow in this teaser image using Photoshop to see if we can reveal more details. How does it look? While some areas are too dark to make out, the image is now slightly clearer. This teaser image doesn't show a real product, but likely a conceptual image for the website. Still, one thing caught our attention. The reel bodyguard and handle arm seem to have a golden hue. While we can't confirm if it's truly gold, if it is, then this can only be the Stella SW. Lower-priced SW reels sometimes use similar colors, but they wouldn't be used as the main visual for such an announcement. Unfortunately, the spool design isn't clear, as most of the color information is obscured. However, the glossy spool ring looks like a barrier-coated finish, and the golden accents reinforce the idea that this is the new Stella SW. While there don't seem to be any major visual changes, we're excited to see what updates it brings. Next, let's look at another teaser image. Judging by the shape, this seems to be a lightweight spinning reel. The thin bail, slim reel foot, and handle arm suggest this, and the reel bodyguard looks similar to the design seen on the 2023 Vanford and 2024 Twin Power. Now, look at the use case photo. Fishing from rugged rocky shores. What small spinning reel does Shimano typically feature in such a scenario? It's likely the Twin Power XD. Known for its extra durability, the Twin Power XD combines toughness with smoothness, offering a lightweight but robust reel. It was released in 2021, so a 2025 update would make sense. Let's enhance this shadowed image as well to see if we can spot any details. Although much of the design is still obscured, the spool ring shape stands out. It seems to have a shallower profile, which matches the infinity loop spools introduced with the 2022 Stella. This design prevents line tangles around the drag knob. If that's the case, this new Twin Power XD might also feature infinity loop, similar to the 2024 Twin Power. The body shape also looks similar to the 2023 Vanquish and 2024 Twin Power, so the new Twin Power XD might combine the 2024 Twin Power's body with the 2023 Vanquish's Magnum Light Rotor. We believe it's the Magnum Light Rotor because the line roller and rotor design closely resemble the 2023 Vanquish. That said, while the Twin Power XD is a favorite of mine, There has been some debate about its extra durability. Some argue that it feels more like a twin-power MGL. While it doesn't surpass the standard twin power in strength, many anglers still love its balance of toughness and smoothness. If Shimano repositions it as a different type of twin power, that might be better received. Lastly, while the colours aren't clear, the handle seems to retain the classic EVA round knob design. Finally, we have a baitcasting reel. The teaser includes the phrase, "to the unshakable peak." In other words, this refers to the flagship of baitcasting reels. And that means Antares, right? It looks like a new Antares will be released this year in 2025. In one of the teaser images, we see it being used for bass fishing. That makes sense since this is the main target audience. But in another image, take a look. They're casting a swim bait. The lure in the photo looks to be about 200 millimeters long, which means it likely weighs around 2 ounces. This suggests that the reel can handle heavier lures. In the teaser, there was also a shadow of a big bait, which could hint at a model like the Antares MD. The previous Antares was released in 2019, so it wouldn't be surprising to see a renewal now. If this new Antares can handle big baits, maybe it has a larger spool. But at this point, it's hard to say for sure. Now, let's look at the details of the reel design. The shape is quite interesting. From what we can see, it doesn't seem to have a monocoque body because you can clearly see a seam running along the top and bottom. There's also this line on the side. Before processing the image, it looked like part of the reel design, but it might actually be a reflection on the polished surface. Here's why. The line doesn't appear on the left side, and on the right side, it seems to be just on the surface, with no actual indentation. So it's probably just a reflection, not a seam. The gearbox area looks rounder than before. It's almost like Daiwa's air drive rotor. It seems like they are using a newly designed body. Other than the shape, there don't seem to be many changes around the gearbox. The handle might look a little shorter compared to the body, but it's hard to tell. The handle design feels similar to the 2019 Antares, with a slightly curved shape. So, what do you think? All of this is just a prediction based on the limited information we have now. Of course, we'll know everything when the official details are released soon. But this is the fun part, imagining, guessing, and sharing ideas before the announcement. If you have your own thoughts, predictions, or things you're excited about, please let me know in the comments. Let's have fun talking about it together. Thank you for watching.